I see trees of green, red roses too. I see the blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see sky of blue and cloud of white, bright blessed day, dark secret night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, say how do you do? That really say I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow, and real much more than I ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, yes. Goodbye.